Here's something really exciting for RF engineers, IoT developers, and any engineer looking to push the boundaries of wireless technology. The Qorvo QPF0219 front-end module is the world's smallest 2 to 18 GHz 10-watt module. It's designed for wideband application, covering frequency of 2 GHz to 18 GHz. It can be used for radar systems, communication systems, and advanced military applications. What really sets the module apart is its small size of 4mm by 4mm. It's the smallest module of its kind, making it perfect for space-constrained designs. The QPF0219 delivers 10 watts of power, and it's all due to Qorvo's gallium nitride technology. GaN enables the module to operate at higher efficiencies and withstand higher power levels compared to traditional silicon-based solutions. The module operates over a wide range of temperatures, ensuring consistent performance in harsh environments. The module is perfect for high bandwidth applications like IoT, radar systems, and satellite communications. The wide frequency range and high power output means you can build systems that are faster, more efficient, and capable of handling complex tasks. The Qorvo's QPF0219 may be just what you need for your next design. Its combination of small size, high power, and wideband performance opens up endless possibilities. If you're curious if the QPF0219 front-end module may be perfect for your next design, check out the link below.